Ano po, kamusta po kayong lahat? Ayan. Medyo nagmamadali po tayo ngayon. It's October 31, so Halloween date ngayon dito sa amin sa Canada. So today, mag-trick or treat po si Ate Adi at si Yana. So ang ginawa po natin earlier, nag-prepare po tayo, prepare po natin lahat ng mga kailangan nila kasi syempre matagal tayo uuwi mamaya. May dalawang locations tayo na pupuntahan sa mall, tsaka Micro Mall. Tapos after nun, punta tayo ng Fairview. Pero ngayon pupunta muna tayo sa school nila Ate Adi para sunduin sila. Dala ko na yung costume ni Ate Adi, tapos andyan na din yung costume ni Yaning. Mamaya sa school na lang sila magbibihis. Tapos after school diretso tayo sa mall. Ayan, samahan niyo po kami. Medyo na late po tayo ngayon kasi prepare natin lahat. Kaya pag nag-prepare ka talaga at may maliit, may makulit na maliit, ay talagang matatagalan ka. Kaya and we're here na po sa mall. Yeah, wait muna. Oh yeah, later when we go inside. Trick or treat.
Happy Halloween.
Thank you. Ano mo nanin? Thank you. Thank you, Adi. Happy Halloween. Let's go. Okay, you can line up there. Line up, Mama. You're lining up. Three, Adi. Can I see your bucket? Can I see? Wow. Hi, Amari. Bye. There. Thank you. There's Kuya Marcos. Ayan, tapos na po tayo sa mall. Bali na kailang minutes lang tayo, Mama?
30 minutes.
30 minutes, sir. Siyempre, maliit lang naman yung mall natin dito, di ba? So 30 minutes lang po natin kinuha. Actually, may free doon sila, may free meals for kids doon, yung A&W. Kaso, ang haba ng pila, tsaka feeling namin mas matatagalan kami doon. May second location pa tayo eh. Mag-Fairview pa tayo. So, saan tayo pwede kumain for dinner and then bago tayo pumunta ng Fairview. Ayan, dito na po kami sa may bandang Fairview. Nakiki-park lang po kami dito. Maglalakad lang. Yup, so nice. Ayan. Punta po kami ng... Naglalakad po kami. Nakasroller na po yung isa. Say hi! Ayan. Stroller po para mabilis. Si Ate Adi, oh. Hello! Talagang para-paraan para maka-ano, para maka-iwas ng ano, gusto po mami.
Kakasalo nyo lang?
Oo, kumain pa kasi kami.
Ngayon, ito first bite.
Oo. Kayo ba? Talaga ba? Nagpunta din kami sa mall. Kumain din muna kami. Oh, see. Trick or treat! Thank you. Say thank you. Wow, look at that. Nice, Ali. Look at those one. Andito din sila Ate Den eh. Baka nauna na sila. Doon kami nag-park sa kanila.
Oh,
look at
ilan
this
na
house.
sila?
Opo.
Oh, wow!
Go. Go, Adi. There. Trick or treat. Trick or treat.
Oh my goodness, that's spooky.
Thank you. Yeah. This is so cool. Yeah, I remember your house last year. Yeah. Nice. Trick or treat. Look at that. So cool. Okay, trick or treat. Thank you. Thank you so much. Say thank you. Hey, here they are. Hey. Let's go to me. Happy Halloween. Thank you. Thank you, Adi.
Oh my gosh, candy for the babies.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, say thank you. Wala pa, hindi pa nakapuno. Yung naging puno yan kasi dahil sa ano, babies. Eat.
There you go.
Thank you.
Happy trick or treat.
Ay, akala ko statua yan. Sa tao pala. Let's go. Of course, you don't have to be scared. Oh, so cool. Good evening. Good evening. Okay. Doing good. How are you?
Good.
Adi, trick or treat.
There you go. There's some rings over there too if you want.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
You want some? Get one. Oh, nice. Yeah, nice. Let's go.
Oh, I guess that looks good. Good job.
Hello, Adi. What will you say? Thank you. Trick or treat. Yeah. Thank you so much. Happy Hal. Thank you so much. What do you say? Trick or treat.
The baby's allowed to.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You got some babies in there.
Thank you. Happy Halloween. How are you? Are you okay? Yeah? Ay, sis. Yan, iwan siya dito kasi medyo matarik doon. Nasa taas yung bahay. Ayan. Madilim. Pero ang daming bata talaga. Tsaka yung ibang bata, talagang isang bag, malaking bag, ano, puno. Talagang kinakarir nila to. Sa Ate Adi. Very good yan ah.
Yan ang kasama na ba sa vlog ng guys?
The voice over.
Maraming salamat.
1, 2, 3.
Hindi mawawala si Ate Adi eh. Trick or treat natin kasi si Ate Adi, she needed to use the toilet. Buti na lang may Pinoy dito na, no? May Pinoy Big Brother house dito. Sa may Fairview. Ayan. Bahay nila Boss Glenn at Joy. Yay! Ayan. Naki-toilet lang po kami pero pinakain kami naman. Ayan. Para ano din, good opportunity din sa mga bata na mag-connect and mag-play. Ayan. So, ang trick or treat natin ngayon naging daycare. Tsaka dinner din. Dinner. Ito naman, akyat na akyat. Grabe, di po wala pagod. Hindi na papagod. Oh, let's go up. Let's go down. Time to go down now. Come on. Let's go down. Come on. Come on. Oops.
This is Belinda's favorite right now. Oh, really? Every day.
So Belinda, you influenced
First time
them.
of Hope. That's why Hope was like
No, same with Ate Adi. Adi. Ito yung nangyari sa trick or treats.
Patapos na yung pagkate. Pag hindi mo nagamit ito.
Baby Nana and Baby Ali. Yeah, Ate Ali's there.
You can chat. Good job.
Smile. Makikibanyo lang at nakikain na pala. Ano? We're going off. Please be careful. We're going down. We're going off.
Watch your steps. Come here, Mama.
Hindi mo ba matuti?
We're gonna
3, 2, 1. Yeah, maraming salamat po! Happy Halloween!
Okay, sa rin dito.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
Trick or treat!
You look absolutely beautiful.
Thank you! Say thank you, Adi. Thank you. Happy Halloween!
Have a good one, honey. I love you, dog.
Ayan, pabalik na po tayo ng sasakyan. Time check, it's almost 8 p.m. So, ang nangyari po kasi, Ate Adi needed to use the toilet kanina. Kaya, naisip namin na dumaan dun sa makigamit ng toilet sa kanila, Boss Glenn. Abay, pinigilan kami, yung toilet naging dinner, at naging chikan, at naging day. Ang kwentuhan, at masayang banding din. Hindi plinano pero talagang natuloy. Ay, nangyari. Kasi pag pinaplano, hindi natutuloy. Shall we go this way or that way?
Ay, parang din.
This way? Okay. We go this way.
Pero mga tao naman pala.
Okay. Ayan. Ayan, masayang experience. Ang dami pang tao, ang dami pang mga bata na nandito ngayon. Ang dami pang trick or treat. Si Ate Adi, medyo low-bat na. You okay? Are you okay?
How are you?
How are you? Yan, medyo malayo yung pinag-park. Hindi naman malayo. Doon tayo kasi naki-park lang tayo. Kaya medyo maglalakad tayo ng very very light lang naman. Pero, ayun. Ayan, nakauwi na po tayo. Maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa amin ngayong araw na to. Ayan. Adi, say paalam. Ayan na, lowbat ng ano. Ayan, isa. Jesus, say paalam. Antok na po. Maraming salamat po. Paalam. Paalam.